Hi and welcome to my kitchen corner. I decided I was going to be making the French onion meatloaf, and it is a freezer meal recipe from the dinners. I have to read it from the dinners done freezer meal kit workshop. Anyways, I decided I was going to make it, and I figured, well, why don't I do it with you? Anyways, really quick and easy. I'm just going to go ahead with it. It says 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I don't do beef, but I'm doing ground chicken. It also says 2 eggs beaten, already done here. And it says 3/4 cup panko breadcrumbs. I don't do panko, I'm gluten. So what I do is I save my bread crusts, which is gluten-free bread, and then I grind them down. I dry them and grind them down, and I make my own breadcrumbs. And I have that. And then we have Worcestershire sauce, and we have the French onion here, which comes in a package like this, and there's 2 in the package. We're using one of them tonight. And we have the ultimate chicken seasoning, and we have the Sunset seasoned salt. So we have all those goodies, and then when this is all done and it's baking, we will add in the sweet and spicy brown sugar bourbon sauce. But I'm not doing that because I'm going to make this and freeze it, and the bourbon sauce will come on later. Anyways, let's get started. So it says spray the pan, which I'm not doing in a bag. I'm doing it in my bowl. In a large bowl, mix eggs, panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, which I won't be doing. I'm just going to skip that out. And Worcestershire sauce, French onion baked dip mix, and the ultimate chicken seasoning with the seasoned salt. So basically put everything together minus the sauce. So we can do that. So we start with breadcrumbs. We go with the eggs. And for the Worcestershire sauce, we need 1 tablespoon. Like, I've never made this, so I'm just following for the first time, and we'll see how this all goes. Worcestershire sauce, done. And it says 1 packet, which, like I said, comes 2 in the package, so in the box, and we're only doing 1. So that goes in. I'm making a splash here. And 1 tablespoon of the ultimate chicken seasoning. 1 tablespoon. My jar is almost done, so I'm going to add a little extra because we really like it. I tend to change recipes up a little bit. So that's done. And the Sunset seasoned salt, 1 teaspoon. But we're not big on salt, and there's salt in other stuff, so I'm going to do less than a teaspoon. I will probably do like half a teaspoon because we're not big on salt. So basically, I just have to mix all this together, and then I add the meat. And that's it. Now the seasoning smells really good. See, there's the seasoning all together. And then my 1.5 pounds of ground chicken, in it goes. And now I've just put on some gloves because the best way to mix anything is with your fingers. And I'm just going to add some gloves, and we will go from there. And then I'm just going to put it into my container, and I'm going to just put some saran wrap on the top of it and put it in the freezer for another day. So that's how easy it is. I'm going to show you quickly. And it smells so good. See, a quick mix. And then I just put it in to here. Mix it a little bit more. Squish it down. It will marinate and blend a little bit more while it's frozen. That's it. It goes into the freezer and then it just gets cooked. Easy peasy, just like that. So there you go. I've just made the French onion meatloaf and it smells divine. I can't wait to cook it and top it up with the bourbon sauce. Take care, be well. Wishing everybody a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you see this video. Take care, be well, everybody. Bye-bye.